Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make delicious slimy okra soup. Yes, so if you are interested, please continue watching. First, we are starting with our protein. We're making use of fish, mackerel fish. I've already cooked it, but I'm going to tell you how I got here. Yes. So I started by cutting up the fish. Afterwards, wash them thoroughly with some salt, making sure they are well washed. Now, in a pot, I added some water, bring it to a boil. Now, transfer the fish into it. I season with some salt and seasoning. Yes, that's how we got here. And now I'm transferring a baking tray to grill them. You can choose not to grill, it's just on you. So now moving on to the next step, guys. Here is the star ingredient to this recipe. So guys, here is our okra, washed already with some salt in water. Yes. So look at how they are looking clean. Now let's divide into two. We'll be blending one while we'll hand cut the other one. Please, I'll be doing it off camera. Yeah. So here we are, guys. Look at the okra, the hand cut and the blended one. Yes, this is the blended one and this is the hand cut one. Moving on to the next step, guys. Here is our stockfish and our dry fish. Yeah, it is very important. While making your soup, you need those two. So this is us going in with some hot water. Yeah, to get it dissolved, soften a bit. And if you do not want to use this process like the hot water, you can cook it together with your protein, either your meat or your fish. I mean the stockfish. Yes. So guys, this is us going in with some salt. We'll allow it to sit for some minutes or an hour. Okay. All right. Moving on to the next step. Now, to the fish broth, we're going to add more water to it. Yes. Now, let's cover it and allow it to boil. Once it comes to a boil, go in with your well-washed stockfish and the dry fish, the one we soaked earlier. Yes. Now, we're going in with our grilled mackerel fish. Next is your red oil, your palm oil. Please feel free to increase your palm oil if you want to enhance the color of your soup the more. Now, cover it up and allow it to boil. Checking back after a few minutes, let's say a minute, go in with your blended okra, the blended one. We're going first with the blended one. Yes, now go on and stir to well combine. Please, guys, feel free to ask your question, okay? Now, the next thing to add is your diced onions. Next is your ground crayfish. If you notice, we didn't add the whole of the crayfish. We left some. We've added our peppers. Yes, we used 2 Scotch bonnet. It is very hot. You can increase your peppers or you can minimize to your taste, okay? We added our seasoning as well. After you've added everything, go on and stir to well combine, okay? Next is your salt. After you've added your salt, stir and allow to cook for a minute. Oh my, our soup is coming up well. Wow, is the sliminess for me? Guys, another thing, if you want it to slime like more to this, look out for the short okra. I actually did, but found none. So guys, just note that okra differs, okay? All right, guys, but this one is perfect for me. For me, it is slimy enough for me, yes. And I'm sure it is okay for you too, you that is watching me. All right, guys, if you notice, we've added our hand-cut okra. And we did that after a minute, yes. Now, stir it in and go in with your diced or sliced spinach or fruited pumpkin leaf, whichever leafy greens you have, okay? It's super good, okay? All right, once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine. Next thing, guys, is to add the remaining crayfish. Yeah, garnish it up lastly with the remaining crayfish and stir it in. Guys, this soup is super looking good, I must say. And we've tested for salt, and guys, it tastes super good. And if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, small chores, and snacks. Please, if you are interested, go on and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing family, okay? So guys, at this point, our soup is set. Go ahead and take it off the heat. And like I was saying, guys, subscribe to this channel. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much. All right, guys, and there you have it. Our delicious slimy fish okra soup is set. Yes, guys, and this is us dishing it out. Oh my. Guys, tell me you are not salivating where you are right now. Just tell me. This is looking super good and it tastes so good. Please give it a go, okay? And let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you. And how can I forget my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you so much. Please keep up the good work. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more tasty recipes. Until next time, bye.